Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you the clear frame tutorial in CapCut. So if you want to make a clear frame to your video, just follow these steps. So first, add your video to CapCut and go to overlay and then go to stock videos. And then select a white image like this and then fit the size until it covers all of your clips. I'm going to fit it, the durations also, and then go to mask and then choose the rectangle. Okay, and do this. So just drag the arrow until the top, but not fully cover your video. So it'll go like this. And then after that, click on invert, click on a check icon, and then go to splice and then just lower it like this. I'm going to go with 30, and now you get that clear frame on your video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if this video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.